To our channel Easy Maths by Vijaya. Our topic is perimeter and area. Class 6 10.2 exercise 10.2. Start our class. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you. See. Exercise 10.2 question number 8. Two fields have same perimeter. Okay. One is a square of side 72 meters. And another is a rectangular of length 80 meters. Which field has the greater area and by how much? Okay, by how much? See, aim ledu. Okay, two fields have same perimeter. Two fields have same perimeter. One is a square. One is a square and another one is a rectangular shape. See, two fields they have given. One is a square, okay, and another one is okay, another one is rectangle shape. Okay, one is A, B, C, D. This is A, B, C, D. Okay, and the side of a square what? 72 centimeters. 72 meters. Okay, that is 72 meters. And the rectangular field of length is what? 80 meters. L is equal to 80 meters. So, this is A. Okay. And B is equal to, they didn't give. Okay, let's take B is equal to X. B is equal to X. So, which field has greater area? Okay, and the how much? Which field has, see, ఏం లేదు, టూ ఫీల్డ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఓన్లీ ఒకటి వచ్చి స్క్వేర్ షేప్లో ఉంది, ఇంకొకటి రెక్టాంగిల్ షేప్లో ఉంది. ఆ రెక్టాంగులర్ షేప్లో ఉన్న ఈ ఏరియా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి మనం. దీని ఏరియా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసి దీని ఏరియా ఈ రెండాట్లో ఏది ఎక్కువ ఉంది, దేని ఏరియా ఎక్కువ ఉంది, స్క్వేర్ ఫీల్డ్ ఏరియా ఎక్కువ ఉందా, ఈ రెక్టాంగులర్ ఫీల్డ్ ఏరియా ఎక్కువ ఉందో మనం చెప్పాలి. అది చెప్పాలి అంటే వాళ్ళు మనకి కొన్ని ఆన్సర్స్ ఇచ్చారు. వాళ్ళు ఏమి ఇచ్చారు మనకి అంటే, ఫీల్డ్ పెరిమీటర్ అనేది సేమ్ ఉంది ఈ రెండాట్లకి, స్క్వేర్కి రెక్టాంగిల్కి సేమ్ పెరిమీటర్ ఉంది. అండ్ ఆల్సో ఒక సైడ్ ఇచ్చారు, స్క్వేర్ సైడ్ ఇచ్చారు, స్క్వేర్ ఫీల్డ్ సైడ్ ఒకటి మనకి ఇచ్చారు, లెంత్ ఇచ్చారు, బ్రెడ్త్ ఇవ్వలేదు. ఓకే, బ్రెడ్త్ అనేది మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. దీని ఏరియా అనేది ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి అంటే మనకు బ్రెడ్త్ కావాలి. బ్రెడ్త్ కావాలి అంటే ఎట్లా ఫైండ్ అవుట్? ఫస్ట్ దీని పెరిమీటర్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి మనం. ఓకే, బట్ వాట్ దే హ్యావ్ గివెన్, ఫస్ట్ రైట్ హియర్. Let us write, then you will understand. Okay, see what they have given. Side of square is equal to, square A is equal to 72 meters. Okay, and length of rectangle L is equal to 80 meters. And breadth of rectangle B is equal to what? X. Okay, let breadth of rectangle B is equal to X. And also one more thing is, they have same perimeters. Square and rectangle have same perimeters. Okay, square perimeter of square is equal to perimeter of rectangle. Okay, is it? They have given in sum. Okay, sir, two fields have same perimeter. So I have written perimeter of square is equal to perimeter of rectangle. So find perimeter of rectangle. What equation? 2 into L plus B. Therefore, see, perimeter of square equation what? perimeter of square equation 4a. Okay, 4a is equal to perimeter of rectangle 2 into L plus B. Okay, 4. So therefore 4 into what is the value of a? Substitute the value of a. Okay, 72 is equal to 2 into L plus B. To L what here? 80. Okay, plus B x. Then 4 72s are 4 2s are 8, 4 7s are 28. 288 is equal to 2 8s are 2 multiply with 80 and also x. Okay, complete value. This is in bracket. So 2 8s are 16. 160 plus 2 into x 2x. Okay, so right here 288 minus 160. Here 160 before ఈ 160 అనేది ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టుకి యువతలు వస్తే ఇటువైపు ప్లస్ ఉంది. సో ఇక్కడికి వస్తే ఇది మైనస్ అవుతుంది, ప్లస్ మైనస్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, ఇది ఇంటిజర్స్ తెలిస్తే, లెసన్స్ తెలిస్తే ఇది తెలుస్తాయి. ఓకే, 288 minus 160 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2x. సో 288 minus 160 how much? 288 160 8 2 1 128 is equal to 2x. And also you can write 2x is equal to 128. Okay, a is equal to b, b is equal to same as b is equal to a, that is okay. Like that I have written 2x is equal to 128. Therefore x is equal to 128 by 2. Here 2 is multiplying x, so here it will divide. Okay, 288 by 2. 2 6s are 2 4s are 264s are 128 meters. These are what is the x here? B. Therefore length of the breadth of the rectangle, that is okay. Therefore breadth. Therefore b is equal to what? 64 meters. Then we have the values of L and B. Okay, L and B. This is 64 meters and also L. Using this values you can find the area of rectangle. Okay, then also you have to find the area of square and see right here again. Okay, okay, and see using this, then what is the area of? Therefore area of square what? Area of square equation what? A square. Okay, 72 into 72, that is 72 whole square. Okay, right, 72 whole square. 72 into 72. 72s are what? 72 into 72. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. 7 2s are 14. Right here 1, 7 7s are 49 plus 1 50. 4 8 1 5. 5 1 8 4 square meters. Okay, that is area of square. This is equation 1. Let's take equation 1 and the another one, area of rectangle. Okay, wow, rectangle L into B. Okay, L what? L value what? 80 and B value 64. Okay, B value what? 64 into 64. Okay, 80 into 64, find here 80 into 64. 0 48 48 51. Okay, 5120. 5120 square meters. Okay, 5120 square meters. Okay, this is equation 2. From 1 and 2, okay, from 1 and 2 b is equal to 64 meters we found. Okay, from 1 and 2, which is the area of which field has greater area, square or rectangle, we have to find. Okay, Therefore area of which is the greater number? This is 5184 5120. So area of square minus, therefore area of, first they are what they are asking, length which has the greater area. So therefore square has the greater area. See, 5184 is greater than 5120. So therefore square field has a greater area. And how much they are asking? Okay, how much they are asking. So we have to find the how much of the area greater than rectangle. Okay, so therefore area of square minus area of rectangle, rectangle, okay, is equal to what? Area of square what? 5184 minus 5120. 5184 minus 5120 what? The value 5184 5120 4 6 64. Okay, 64 square meters. 64 square meters greater than. Therefore 64 square meters greater than, area is greater than rectangle. Okay, okay, 64 square has 64 meters, area is greater than rectangle. This is the required answer.